How to see recently added friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see recently added friends on Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is open your Facebook app. And now once you've opened your Facebook app, simply tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Now scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Now again go to Settings. Now scroll down until you see the option Activity Log, so simply tap on it. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then go to View Connections. Now tap on Filters, then go to Categories, and now simply choose Added Friends. That way you can see all of your recently added friends on Facebook and the exact date of when they became friends with you on Facebook. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.